Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to clean rubber boots ready for back to school. This video will take you through the steps you'll need to follow to clean rubber boots, so make sure you stick around for the best guide. First, remove mud and loose debris. Use a dry brush or cloth in circular motions to remove any dried mud or dirt on the surface. To maintain their shape, stuff the inside of the boots with newspaper. Combine baking soda, warm water, and white vinegar to remove stubborn mud stains and scuff marks. Use a soft brush and clean out the stains in circular motions. Next, remove the newspaper, use a hose to wash off the loose debris, and wipe the remains with a damp cloth. Soak the boots. Now let's get to the deep cleaning. This is ideal if the boots are heavily soiled. Soak the shoes in warm water and dish soap for about 10 minutes. After soaking, use a semi-soft bristle brush to scrub off remaining dirt. Focus on spots where dirt and debris get trapped, such as folds and eyelets. You can use a toothbrush to clean the soles of the boots. Rinse with clean water after scrubbing. If you're uncomfortable soaking the boots, use a spray bottle filled with dish soap and water. Carefully spray the exterior of the boots and let them sit for at least 3 minutes to break down the dirt. Afterward, use a damp cloth and wipe the dirt off. Dry the boots thoroughly. Take a clean, dry rug and dry the boots. Once you've wiped away the excess moisture, let them air dry. Do not place the boots in direct sunlight or a dryer, as heat damages and ages them. You can stuff a newspaper or a cloth towel in the boots to absorb moisture. Buff the boots. This step gives them extra shine and protects the boots from cracking. You can achieve this using an automotive tire protectant, a wax, or a leather conditioner. Shake the bottle, spray a few inches away from the shoes, and buff in circular motions using a clean, dry cloth. Olive oil and a dry cloth will also do the job. So, there you have it. With these simple steps, you will get the rubber boots squeaky clean before school's open. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.